Keeping our pets clean is essential not just for their health, but for the cleanliness of our homes. But let's face it, traditional washing methods can be time-consuming, stressful for our furry friends, and use a lot of water and detergents. This innovative device tackles all these challenges using cutting-edge technology, ultrasonic waves, and ionized air. Let's break it down step by step. Traditional pet washing has some major drawbacks. It can take a lot of time. It uses excessive water and detergents. And most importantly, it can be stressful for our pets, leading to anxiety and discomfort. What if there was a solution that made washing pets quicker, stress-free, and eco-friendly? Here's how this device changes the game. A comfortable start. Pets are placed into a soft, non-slip washing chamber designed for their comfort. Smart sensing. Advanced sensors identify the pet size and adjust the settings accordingly. Ultrasonic cleaning. Ultrasonic waves gently remove dirt and oil from fur and skin. No harsh scrubbing needed. Gentle water mist. A fine water mist rinses away any remaining particles while conserving water. Quick drying. Ionized air quickly dries the pet, leaving their fur soft and fluffy. Plus, it eliminates odors and bacteria. This invention isn't just about convenience, it's a healthier, more sustainable way to care for your pets. Who can benefit from this device? Veterinary clinics for quick, hygienic washes before treatment. Animal shelters to help care for rescued pets. Pet grooming salons for stress-free cleaning. And of course, everyday pet owners looking for an easy solution. To sum it up, the ultrasonic and ionized air pet washing device combines innovation, convenience, and care. It's not just a gadget, it's a step towards better pet hygiene and a cleaner planet. Thank you for watching, and let's take the stress out of pet care, one wash at a time.